Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to install Blood West game for free on Epic Games Launcher. So here follow the steps. So open Epic Games Launcher and in search store search for Blood West and click on this base game Blood West, and here you will see absolutely free, sales end on 12/21/2025. And you will see this get button. So click on this get button. Please wait, your order is loading, and then click on place order. And then you will see this view in library option. So click on this view in library, and in library you will see the Blood West is added. So click on this install button. Now again click on install button, click yes to allow, and you can see Blood West is getting installed on my PC. You can also click on this arrow icon, that is a download icon, and here you can see Blood West game is getting downloaded on my PC. So by following this step you can easily install Blood West game on PC through the Epic Games Launcher, and this is free for a limited time, that is the sale will end on 21st December 2025. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.